Hello everybody, how are we all doing today? I hope everybody is well and fine and dandy on this evening, or whenever it is you're watching this, probably tomorrow by now. I want to put a whole full face on when I'm not really going anywhere, but you know what? A little bit of lippy and people at the supermarket think you look cute. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. You know what we've got for you today. It's my This Is Powder draw for February. Yeah. This Is Powder does the Powder Beauty draw. And if you go onto their website right now, you cannot subscribe anymore. So this is kind of weird, me showing you a box that you can't actually get. I have sent them an email about it, but I haven't had a response yet, and they do take a few days to get back to me. However, there are other boxes you can get, which one of them is their Christmas box, and I think it's on sale at the moment. Another one is their NARS box, which is definitely on sale. It's £30. I think it was 50 or at least 40 at one point, and now it's 30. Another one, they have got a box for chaps as well. And if you have Priority app, there is an actual discount on that as well, on the Priority app. So yeah, lots of things to buy, but you can't buy this box. And for the first time, they have on their website a whole list of all the products. So I'm going to get that up so that I can see it, because I'm not sure if they've actually put a card in this box, but at least I'll be able to talk to you about what the products are. So with all that being said, let's get into this box, shall we? I'm going to mark it against an £18.50 box, which was £15 for the box and £3.50 for delivery, which is what I used to pay. Well, when I wasn't getting a discount, that's what the price used to be of a regular month box. And we will take a look and see what's inside. Before that, I'd love it if you could give me a big thumbs up, share this video with all your friends, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, because it could be any old time, you know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am so close to 100 subscribers, and I'd really love to make it by the end of this week. That'd be amazing. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Okay, let's get into the video. As always, the Powder Beauty drawer comes in this pale pink box with the white writing in relief on it. And on the side, I don't think I paid attention to this before, it says Beauty Just Got Personal. This is powder.co.uk at This Is Powder. Okay, that's what it looks like. And we're playing Hunt the Product. Okay, there we go. And this is what's inside my box today. Ooh, well, let's go for the big one. This is Dr. Pawpaw, and it's limited edition Red Sparkle multi-purpose soothing balm with natural fermented pawpaw for lip, skin and your décolletage, fragrance free. And this is a full-size product, which is, I believe, £6.95. So that's always good to start with a full-size product. Now, I have had Dr. Pawpaw before, but I have never had... Oh, sorry about that. I have had Dr. Pawpaw before, but I have never had a red sparkly limited edition one. So that's nice. This foil thing wasn't on properly. I mean, it doesn't look used at all because this is completely clean and dry. But I may ask them for a replacement of that, to be honest. Let's just squeeze some out. I wonder if it's dried out because it wasn't on properly. So it's red. Oh, it is quite tinted, and it has got glitter in there. You can see that. Doesn't smell of anything. Yeah, but that would give a nice red tint to the lips. I mean, you wouldn't, I suppose you could put it on other places, but I guess lips would be the main thing. You wouldn't just want to put it on anywhere. Although, if you just take a tiny dab and rub it out, you can't really see the colour. But if you did want it as a lip thing, that'd be nice. I don't know how I feel about that now because the foil wasn't on. Now, this is really funny because if the foil didn't exist, it wouldn't bother me. But I know there's meant to be foil, so now that does bother me. Is that really backwards thinking? Let me know down below. Would you keep this or would you ask for a new bottle to be sent out? I'm certainly not going to give it to any subscribers, that's for sure. Right, what have we got next? I'm going to pick this one out because we've seen it a bunch of times in different boxes, but that's what happens when you have multiple beauty boxes. And this is the Rodial Suede Lips Lip Pencil from Big Apple. Do you know what? I'm just going to go and get mine. So I think that is the fourth one I've received now. This is my sort of second one. I never know in this product because it's supposed to be like 2.4 grams, which is a full-size product. I don't know, are you supposed to cut that down so you can get more product? Because honestly, that is pretty much the size of a full one. I've barely used this one at all, like 3 or 4 times. This is the colour, which I really like. On me, it's pretty much my lip colour, so you can almost not see it. It just makes them more even and obviously gives it a matte finish. I do really like it, but I'm going to put this one into my subscriber giveaway because there's only so many of these I can use at one time. I've only got one pair of lips and I haven't even really properly finished the first one. I only started on this one just because I was lazy one day. It's terrible, isn't it? So this is going to go in my giveaway, and this is a full size worth £22. That's exciting. Next, we're going to go into something else that I already have. And this is Matte Me from Sleek in Rioja Red. And this is a lovely product. This is my one. And it looks like that. It's a really nice, sort of true red, rich colour. It's very opaque, so you know you don't have to worry about putting loads of layers on. Pretty much like this, to be honest. I just top mine up. Although this isn't actually the lipstick I was wearing. But you know, I can because they're the same colour, just different formula. I was wearing Rimmel lipstick in Take the Stage, which apparently is the same colour as Sleek Matte Me in Rioja. Interesting to see what will happen now. Will it go matte or will it stay satin? Anyway, that is worth £4.99, and that is another full-size product, which is great. So that's our third full-size product out of a box, which, yeah, I'm pretty happy. This too is going to go in my subscriber giveaway because there's only so many lip products I can put on my lips at one time. But this is good because this box is boosting up my giveaway pile. Right, what have we got next? Something I haven't got. Exciting! This is by the brand Context, and this is not for sale apparently. 30ml Microderm Regenerator. I'm going to have to tell you what this is from the internet. Okay, so this is an American product and I couldn't find anywhere you can get it over here. The full size of this product is 120ml. This is a 30ml sample, although that's still quite a generous size sample, and that is worth £6.28 or $8.75 in dollars, but obviously $35. We're not talking dollars. In this size, it's worth $6.78. And let me tell you all about it. A 2-in-1 cleanser and gentle exfoliator enhanced with the same crystals used in professional microdermabrasion treatments, soothes and purifies skin as it effectively cleanses, polishes and removes dead skin cells. Powerful antioxidants combine to protect cells and fight free radical damage. Skin is left soft, hydrated and healthy looking, gentle enough for all skin types. It has macadamia oil, which is highly nourishing and helps reduce itchiness and inflammation. Sunflower oil contains powerful emollient properties, a moisturising and conditioning oil for the skin. Jojoba oil is a non-comedogenic oil. Sorry, don't know that word. With antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits, which provides intensive moisture. Aluminum oxide crystals gently exfoliate and smooth skin. Vitamin A, C and E provide powerful antioxidant protection. It's paraben and phthalate free, fragrance free, cruelty free. Gently massage onto wet skin using circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. There we go. So I am looking forward to trying this. I always like a new cleanser. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed. If anyone is interested to see what this looks like and how it works, let me know down below and I can do a little video trial test me on this, because you know how I like to do my mini reviews. Right, what have we got next? It says on the website we're going to get 6 products. And one of them is one of those like 2-for-1 type things. You get shampoo and conditioner. Although, to be honest, in this instance, it's not shampoo and conditioner. So I think it's okay to be counted as 2 products. Which means this little thing is like a freebie that's thrown in because it's not mentioned on the website at all. But for some reason, I had it in my head I was getting 7 products anyway. So I'm happy to see this because I thought I was getting 7 things. But I'm also confused. Why did I think that? I don't know. I think I'm used to getting 7 things from them. But anyway, so it is a token. So you can save £3 on any Cetaphil product from Superdrug. And it's their Gentle Skin Cleanser. So it might seem weird to get 2 cleansers, but as this seems to be a thrown in freebie, why not? Makes this little sample worth £1.10. So that it all adds up. Last, we have 2 products from the same brand, but they are different items. And I'd never heard of this brand before. So it's not as if they are just throwing us the last dregs of whatever, because I have never seen or heard of these things before. And if I can find them on John Lewis, they must be posh, right? They're from Miller Harris. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of that, but I haven't. The perfumer from London. And this is their Tea Tonic Scent body lotion. And they also have the same in shower gel, which looks like this. And to get this bottle of perfume, which is where it comes from, and then they've obviously gone into shampoo. They do shampoo and conditioner and hand lotion and shower gel, body lotion, all that jazz. A 100ml bottle is like £105. So this isn't cheap stuff. And this is a 50ml sample. And now you cannot buy a 50ml sample on their website. You can buy a pack of 4, which has one of these each, and it also has shampoo and conditioner. And for the pack of 4 at 50ml, each one of them at the moment is £2.50. So the pack is worth £10 because it's on a half price sale. I'm going to put these in my calculation at the full price of being basically worth £5 each, because I figured that is what they would do. Actually, I've done a recalculation because the full size, God, it was hard work to find what the full size bottle is, because on the Miller Harris website, it doesn't tell you, and it doesn't show on the front, like it doesn't show here, what the actual size contents is. It only shows it on the back, and it doesn't have a picture of the back. Why do they make it so hard? So the full size bottle, normal full size, I believe, from John Lewis website, is 250ml. This is 50ml. And the 250ml is £26. That would make this worth £5.20. And this one is £24 for the full size of 250. So that makes this one worth £5. So that, how funny. So, because this is 24 in the full size, that makes a 50ml version worth £4.80, which basically makes them worth £5 each on average. I just worked all that out for no reason. Let's just have a little sniff though, most importantly, considering they're supposed to be... Let's see if there's a... Oh. Smells like cigarettes. This is just the cream. It's quite thick. Honestly, I can't... Oh no, I can smell it. It's not that strong. I don't really like scented body creams, to be honest. I use them for hand lotion, but I don't really like putting them on my body because I don't feel like they work very well. It's not horrible or anything, it's just not very intense. Like, it's quite nice. I'm just a bit puzzled just because the main product is so expensive. I don't know what I was expecting, like... Definitely smells nice. Definitely smells a bit posh. Like if you're going to a spa or something, you had this, you'd be like, yeah, that's nice. It's a bit spa-like, you know. But that is the contents of my February box. What do we think? What do I think? Well, the total value of the box is £50.22. Well, in fact, plus that £1.10, wasn't it? So £51.32. And the box cost me less than £9. Even if the box had cost me £18.50, that's still like almost 3 times the value. So I would say, yes, that is a good box. What do we think of the products inside? Well, I really like the Rodale Big Apple lip colour. I love it. I use it quite a lot and I'm happy to see it again. Even if I didn't give it away, I would still be happy to see it because it's something I like, and no way am I going to be forking out £22 to get that colour. So to actually have 4 of them isn't bad, and one of you guys, you'll be lucky and get one as well. The Sleek Matte Me lip colour, I really like that. I really like reds and I like it. It's a good product. It feels comfortable on my lips. I will wear it again, so I'm happy that I can put one in my subscriber pile, and I would be happy if I didn't have one because it's a product I really like. So that's great. The Dr. Pawpaw, the only thing that freaks me out a bit is the fact that the seal wasn't on there, and maybe it's dried out a little bit, but I don't know what it's supposed to look like when it comes out. I might have to look it up. I'm going to send them a message about it anyway and just say, look, my seal wasn't on the bottle, because I guess it's supposed to have a seal on the bottle, otherwise I wouldn't put one in there. But I don't think it was touched or anything like that, because it doesn't look, it didn't look like it had been used at all. But I don't really blame them, because then what are they going to do? Open every single one of these and check? If anything, that's Dr. Pawpaw's fault. But do I like this? Yes, I do. I suppose you can even use it as blush. I think it says about using it as blush on the website, but maybe not when it's got glitter bits in it. Can you see my shiny cheek now? But you can see how you can sort of use that as to give yourself a bit of shine. I've never used it for that, but why not? Multi-use products, that's what we want in our lives, isn't it? But it is a bit weird to have glitter in it. So I'd probably stick to lips, to be honest with that. The body lotion, I always like a nice scented hand lotion, and that's what I'm going to use it for. Shower gel, love shower gel. Husband likes Posh shower gel too, so definitely going to use this. Probably what I'm most excited about is this though, because Microderm Regenerator, it just sounds cool, doesn't it? And it looks like it's got loads of good products in it, and anything that will help make my bumpy skin turn into nice smooth skin, I am living for it. So I'm happy about that, and I always like to try a new cleanser, and to get this little bonus size product is great. Right, let me know what you think of the box. Do you know anything about any of the products that we haven't heard about, Miller & Harris or the microdermabrasion thing? What do you think about the Dr. Pawpaw situation? Is it a problem, or am I just being fussy? And hopefully I will be able to get back to you. I'll update the little information box if I hear anything from Powder Beauty Drawer about what is happening, if you can ever get hold of this box, or anything at all really. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will be back to watch me again. If you've got a bit of spare time, check out my back catalogue. I've got a few videos waiting for you. And until next time, don't forget to live every moment well and take care of each other. Bye!